Ryan Ponce here with Compass, and today I'm going over August 2024's market update based on July's numbers. So good news is downtown San Diego didn't see a ton of growth in the number of active listings. It only went up about 1.7%. It went from 234 to 238. So very subtle increase in the number of active listings because we had been seeing the number of active listings going up pretty dramatically. And so that's the good news. The bad news is we only had 42 sales last month, so the month's supply of inventory, so inventory actually went up and is almost at 6 months. So it's just under 6 months right now. And that market, that number, once over 6 months starts favoring sellers. Starts favoring buyers, sorry. So it becomes more of a buyer's market once there's more inventory on the market and less activity. Obviously favors buyers. The good news is the number of pending listings did go up. We had 50 pending listings last month, and that's up from the previous month in the low 40s the previous month. So that suggests that there might be a little bit more activity in the month of August, and interest rates have actually come down a little bit. So over the last couple of weeks, interest rates have been coming down, and they came down pretty dramatically, about 2 or 3 days ago. And so now we're at about 6.62% on a conventional 30-year loan, which is pretty good. That's the average. That's the average rate right now. So it is starting to come down. About a month or two ago, we were above 7%, and we've been hovering above 7% for a little while. So it is nice to see that rates are back in the sixes again. The number of the number of new listings did go up, but that's really deceiving. We had over 100 new listings this past month. But what's going on is there's property sitting, and so as property sits, people start relisting property, and when they relist, it shows up as a new listing. So they'll go it'll sit on the market for 90 days or 60 days, and then people will expire or cancel the listing, and then they'll bring it on as a new listing. Not really supposed to do that, but that happens a lot. And so what ends up happening is there's a lot of new listings hitting the market, but they're really not actually new listings. The days on market is going up. Again, days on market though is affected by people relisting property, because obviously if it was sitting for 60 days and then expired or canceled, or let's say a 90 days expired and then canceled, and listed as a new property, that number starts over again, and so that'll affect the overall average days on market. Yeah, the market is not moving extremely fast. There are opportunities for buyers. I actually started up a segment that I've been wanting to start up again, but I didn't have the inventory to choose from, and that is my buy of the week, or now I'm naming it deal of the week. And that's where I pick up my favorite property on the market in downtown San Diego at any given time. And so I'm doing that once a week. I'm picking a deal of the week. So tune in for that. If you're seeing this on YouTube, there's a link in the description to the actual blog where I have all the charts and everything showing the numbers. And if you're interested in seeing my deal of the week, I'll also put a link in there to my most recent one. My name is Ryan Ponce. I'm with Compass. Number 619-228-6790. If you need anything, feel free to reach out, and have a good day.